Here is my finished rotary converter soldering station. Here is the converter. Take AC in here and get DC out here. Oh, almost DC. And here we got the driver motor, which is a two-phase motor with a capacitor down there. We got a main switch, fuse, and it's held up by rubber strips and foam rubber so it doesn't vibrate. And here we got our generator, our variable resistor to vary the output voltage. And yeah, let's see. We can make it flipping the switch. There it goes. Closing. Turn on the voltmeter. 6 volts. There we go. And then just wait for iron to get hot. Should get hot in any second now. And it doesn't sound that much actually. I just got the axle here of the rheostat and a voltmeter hooked up directly to the outlet. It works very well actually. And the box insulates a lot. Converter. Let's see if the iron is hot now. This heats up very fast actually. It works very well. Very well. Yeah, that's it guys. See ya.